In this 5 mark subjective question, they are directing us to illustrate in which way the normal cell is becoming cancerous cell. For this, we are specifying the loss of the contact inhibition property by the normal cell leading to the uncontrolled growth. For this specification, we will be getting 1 mark. In the second sub-question, the given parameter in which way it is more helpful for giving the early diagnosis formulation so that we can cure the tumor at the early stage itself. For this, we are specifying the biopsy is nothing but taking the piece of the suspected tissue and cutting into an appropriate slice for staining and studying under high resolution fluorescent microscope. For this narration, we will be getting 1 mark. In the histopathology, we are sectioning the tissue, staining the tissue. If it is solid connective tissue, if it is a liquid connective tissue like blood, cerebrospinal fluid, that also we are examining under the different resolution improved microscope for understanding the cancer progression so that we can do the appropriate diagnosis. For this mention, we will be getting 1 mark. In the case of MRI scan, we are using strong magnetic field and non-ionizing radiation accurately detects pathological and physiological changes in the tissue. For this narration, we will be getting 1 mark. In the third sub-question, they are directing us to say any two method that possibly cures cancer. For this, we are giving the treatment procedure either by using radiotherapy or by using chemotherapy or by adapting immunotherapy or by administrating the biological modifier, specifically alpha interferon at different quality and quantity. In this way, if you are narrating, we will be getting the last second mark so that we can satisfy the 5 mark demand of this subjective question. In this 5 mark second optional sub-question, they are directing us to illustrate hidden hunger. For this, we are specifying deficiency of micronutrient, protein and vitamin in the diet. For this mention, we will be getting half mark. In the second sub-question, they are asking us to say the name of the crop breeding phenomena, which is nothing but biofortification. For this, we will be getting half mark. For specifying the objective, to improve the protein content, oil content, vitamin content and mineral content with quality. For this mention, we will be getting another 2 mark. In the third sub-question, they are directing us to say the expansion of IARI, in which way it is used to improve the vegetable variants to satisfy the multiple nutrient requirement. For this, we are specifying Indian Agriculture Research Institute developed the vitamin A enriched carrot, spinach and pumpkin, vitamin A enriched bitter gourd, batuta, mustard and tomato, iron and calcium enriched spinach and batuta, protein enriched French garden pea, bean, lab variants are developed so that the particular multi-nutrient requirement will be satisfied. In this way, if you are mentioning, we will be getting 5 marks for this second optional subjective question.